Welcome back to Ignite Your Skill. Today, we challenge you with another exciting maths quiz. There are 40 questions lined up across 4 different levels. Ready to test your brain and boost your math skills? Let's begin with an easy level, some warm-up questions to get us started. 3 plus 6 plus 5? Get this wrong and your calculator gets custody of your brain. "14. Math magician alert. +1 to your brain power. 12 minus 5 minus 2. It's just subtraction, not rocket science. "5. High five. You're cruising. 4 times 4? This one's as square as your screen. 16. Sweet 16. That's a solid point. 20 divided by 5? Even your dog could guess this one. 4. Fetch that point. Woof math. 5 plus 7 plus 6? Add it up like it's your shopping bill. 18. You just bought a full score. 15 minus 6 minus 3? Take it step by step. Or just pretend you're baking. 6. That's your perfect math recipe. Yummy. 7 times 2? If you memorized tables in school, this is your moment. 14. Quick like a pro. Add 1 point. 24 divided by 6? How many slices per friend? 4. Evenly sliced math. You get a point. 9 plus 5 to 3? Some say it's confusing. We say, trust the math vibes. 11. 1 louder than 10. You're doing great. 10 to 2 plus 3? Reverse, then add. It's a math dance. 11. Smooth moves, smarty. +1 to your total. Sit tight, now the real math starts. 125 plus 375? Big numbers, but don't panic, think grocery bill. 500, half a grand of math power. Cha-ching. 90 minus 45? Just split it in half like a pizza with your bestie. 45. You get a slice of victory. +1 point. 13 times 4? Unlucky number times a table, brave it out. 52. You survived the spooky math. +1. 108 divided by 6? Pretend you're handing out 108 candies to 6 kids. 18. That's a sweet treat. +1 to your stash. 50 divided by 5 plus 10? Divide it, then add some sauce on top. 20. Delicious math burger served. +1 point. 40 plus 25 to 15? Add the cake, subtract the icing. 50. That's a whole birthday party. 8 times 9? The classic, don't mess it up, your math teacher is watching. 72, gold star for you. +1 on the board. 36 divided by 6, plus 4 times 3. A 2 for 1 deal, divide and conquer. 18, double move, +1 to your combo score. 60 to 20 plus 5? Subtract, then patch it back up. 45, that's a smooth repair job. +1 for the fix. 24 times 2, 16 divided by 4. Multiply like lightning, divide like a ninja. 44, slice and dice. You got the point. Tough questions to push your limits. 654 plus 123? This one's heavy, lift it with your brain muscles. 777, triple sevens. Jackpot math. 225 divided by 9? Time to chop this number like a samurai. 25, clean slice. +1 to your score. 28 times 19? Okay, this ain't your times table, it's a boss fight. 532, flawless victory. Mortal math bat. 500 to 220, divided by 7? Subtract the fluff, then slice it 7 ways. 40, you shared it like a math saint. +1. 20 times 15 to 100? Build it up, then knock it down. 200, solid math construction. You earned 1 point. 900 to 300 plus 75? This is how billionaires calculate lunch. 675, tasty math buffet. +1 to your wallet. 720 divided by 6 times 3? Divide fast, then triple it like a boss. 360, that's a math combo. +1 to your streak. 111 times 3? Just triple the ones and the hundreds will follow. 144 divided by 4 times 3. Parentheses first, don't fall for the trap. 12, order of operations, mastered. +1. 45 plus 135, divided by 9? Add the heat, then cool it down with division. 20, that's clean, crisp math. +1 point. This round separates the tourists from the legends. 39 times 17? This one's spicy, grab your mental calculator. $663, you did that? Fire math. +1. 900 divided by 25, plus 120 divided by 10. Chop it, add it, dance it out. 48, you're still alive. +1 point. 640 to 280, divided by 4? Subtract like a ninja, divide like a pro. 90, precise math strike. +1 earned. 22 times 16 plus 50? That's a lot of multiplying, push through. $402, you're unstoppable. +1 to your legend meter. 90 divided by 3 times 60 divided by 5. Double divide, then multiply into orbit. $360, math astronaut status unlocked. +1. 100 divided by 2, plus 14 times 3. Split the century, triple the teens. $92, this level's heating up. +1 point. 60 times 5, 18 divided by 2. Crunch it like a pro gamer with a calculator. $291, epic brainplay. +1 score. 72 plus 33, 36 divided by 6. Trick in the tail, don't fall. $99, still standing? You're fierce. +1 point. 60 divided by 5 times 42 divided by 3. Divide, then multiply like thunder. $100 plus 80, 12 times 5. Final boss level, don't flinch. No spoilers here. What's your answer to the final question? Drop it in the comments, along with your total score. Let's see who really finished strong. Play again and beat your own high score, or challenge a friend. Subscribe for more quiz videos.